Everybody, welcome back to Collect and Reflect. Eric here, and we're gonna see if we got the Bo-Katan Chase Pop from Amazon. We got 3 of them today. Let's see what we got. We got 2 right here, 1 right there, 1 and 1. Let's start with the first one. Oh, first one. We got the Chase. We got the unmasked Bo-Katan. Let's see if we got any more chases. We got 1. We got the regular. I am actually glad because now I have helmet and non-helmet. Let's see number 3. Come on, get over here. All right, we got 1 chase and 2 non-chases. So I got 1 to give to a friend, 1 for me, and 1 for the chase. Awesome. See you guys.